Now's a good time to go pee before it comes back out.
That was like what, 5 fucking minutes, if that?
No, it's longer than that.
Was it?
That'd be a great time to go to the gym. There ain't gonna be nobody in there.
No, they're probably all in there. The motherfuckers probably went to cover right after. Wow.
That's nuts.
I want to see him bust his ass.
Well, on that wood.
You know that shit's slick as fuck right now.
Let me out, I gotta pee. Hurry up.
Wow. Look at Doe still fucking playing in that shit.
It's gonna get cold.
Gopher, you might want to move. You're in the middle of hell right now. Wow, dude. That's all fucking hail. That is I have
nuts.
never seen that much
No.
fucking hail at once.
I haven't either.
Doe's out there like a fucking dumbass, soaking ass wet. It's so freezing. Well, no wonder he's just playing in fucking ice.
At least get a big old handful.
That sounds like